And we're back with another episode of Market Talk. We got a little microphone now. We upgraded. I'm gonna put the microphone up here for y'all. But this week has been nothing but a sell-off. We just been getting straight red in the market this week. What red mean to us? Opportunity. It's time to get in. We got Bitcoin down below 100K, bruh. You better scoop that up. We got Nvidia hit 210. Now it's down back at like 180 something. You better scoop that up. Like, come on, y'all. We've been through this time and time again. The government just reopened, what was it, last night or on Friday night? But the market had already sold off the entire week over fears of, the whole market's a little too top heavy. There's a lot of stuff that's been pushing even during this crazy economic time. It's not lining up. So people are really starting to settle in. Like, people are like, why are these tech evaluations so high? Why is there so many billions of dollars being passed around? Billions here, billions here, but it just looks like it's all going in a circle. Or is it a bubble? People worrying about a bubble. People worried about their pockets. People worried about the economy. People worried about the government. But now the government back open. The government is back open. The tech stocks have had their pullback. They had their reset. Now this time right here, they're not going to go any lower. This is the worst week since April. We don't run up and then push back down to like our levels back in months ago. We come back to local lows, reset, and keep pushing. That's what the market does. It's called market structure. That's what happens. So the market is coming back, resetting to these the previous all-time highs, probably 180. This is Nvidia's previous all-time high, and 100K was Bitcoin's previous all-time high. Bitcoin's been running at like 117,000 right now. I mean, what do y'all expect it to be at? So really, the market right now is taking a breath. It's saying, we better go on a run. We're gonna need to take a breather. So before we take this run, let's just pull back. All the big institutions, all the big banks, all the Trump's friends, they get in the market right now because Trump himself even said that the stock market was going to boom, or he said America was going to boom in the next 5 to 6 months. Like when during this holiday season too, and the government just opened back up. The holiday season is historically a good time for the market. People are getting extra money. And, bro, do I need to say anything else? Need I say more? This episode of Market Talk don't need to be long because it's the same thing part of every other week. Like, the market's down, get in the market. But we do need to talk about Palantir CEO. He's weird. He's quirky. Bro, my brain cannot touch Palantir. Maybe like a little section of it, but why was he in an interview wielding a sword? That's the least weirdest part. The weirdest part was when he was talking, they were having a normal conversation. He started talking about Nazis, saying that he has conversations. He spends a lot of his time talking to Nazis, real Nazis. And he was like, the crazy thing is that a lot of the Nazis around today would probably, whatever he would say, it doesn't even matter. He was basically saying that real Nazis don't even agree with the Nazi that's around today, trying to make it seem like that he understands what the real Nazis and he gets them. We trying to know what that makes them tick. And he said that they were probably sending off the Nazis, the neo-Nazis around today off to the camps quicker than he would. Or whatever he was saying. It doesn't matter. Okay? He's a Nazi sympathizer. How about that? That's what it is. All right? I don't know. What is his name? Alex Karp? He's a Nazi sympathizer. How about that? Okay, so that's a bit much. But you gotta watch that clip. You tell me bro, this is a tech CEO about Palantir, and we're talking about Nazis, bro. Why are tech CEOs so odd and quirky and strange, bro? Like, that's a big thing when you invest in the companies, bro. You got to do research on the CEO, because the CEO the stock could be great. You can have a great, perfect stock. But if the CEO get on the interview and start saying some crazy stuff, you're done. Perfect example was Elon Musk. Perfect example, Tesla always running. As soon as he got in the government, bro, done. The whole stock done. If you were an investor and you were looking long term, how would you factor in Elon Musk joining the U.S. government? You can't even. That's not even something you can even like put it. That's why you gotta like do research on your CEO and make sure that you understand that the CEO of the company is very important as well, because that could make or break your bread. All right, but that's gonna be it for this week's market talk. Come back next week. We'll see the market's gonna be at all-time highs probably. While right now they're all-time lows. So get in the market. Don't be missing out on this time. Don't miss out. Don't be one of them. At least put $10 in the market. If you ain't got nothing, put 10 in. Next week it'll be 20. All right, get you something to eat. Whatever. Stay locked in. Go to DEGENDepot.shop. Join the Discord if you're trying to talk money, trying to learn the game, trying to learn credit, business. Got live market updates, live crypto updates. We're gonna be growing. I realize I can't keep growing in silence no more. I gotta put it out there. You know what I'm saying? You can't build everything behind the scene. You can't always move in silence. That's what I'm learning. You can't always just move in silence. So I gotta put the message out there. You know what I'm saying? Go to DEGENDepot.shop and you get more information on the whole brand, whole movement, what we're pushing, and you can join the Discord if you want more free game, bro. Tap in, and I'll see y'all next time.